Hey everyone, we are back in Page, Arizona. We have already done both the lower and upper Antelope Canyon tours, but we couldn't pass up the opportunity to do the lower Antelope Canyon tour again because we loved it so much last time. And this time we actually booked the peak time to come here, which is the 11:45 tour. You can see the sunlight coming through the top of the canyon, so that should be pretty amazing. We're very excited about that. We just got here, we're gonna check in, and then we'll take you guys for a look around. Also, really quick, I have to give Mama E and Papa E a shout out for the wig. I've had 6 rounds of chemo, but managed to find a wig that looks exactly like my hair, so thank you guys for making me look like a human today. You have to book a tour in order to hike inside the canyon, and we booked ours through Dixie's Lower Antelope Canyon Tours for March 5th. We definitely recommend booking in advance because these tours fill up very quickly, especially the peak times. Before the tour began, we were treated to an impressive hoops performance by a talented Native American. Although there are a lot of people inside the canyon during tour times, there are only about 10 people with each tour guide, and we were lucky to have a group as small as 6. The tour is about an hour long, and you'll be hiking a little over a mile. At the beginning of the tour, you'll descend down 5 flights of stairs, and that will start your adventure through the canyon. Antelope Canyon was formed as a result of rain, wind, and erosion, and the colors and shapes of the sandstone are truly magical. There are 8 ladders throughout the tour, and although it's not overly strenuous, we suggest wearing good hiking shoes or boots. Like I mentioned earlier, this was our second time here, and we honestly wouldn't hesitate to come here again. In our opinion, Lower Antelope Canyon is much more impressive than Upper Antelope Canyon, and we can't get enough of this place. Which do you like better, lower or upper? Let us know in the comments. Antelope Canyon is the most visited slot canyon in the American Southwest. It gets its name from local Navajo stories that spoke of antelopes grazing the canyon in the winter months. The canyon is known for its unique look. The walls look like waves, and the light beams shining down into the canyon create some incredible views. Antelope Canyon's walls are about 120 feet above the stream bed, and it is amazing to look up to the sky when you are inside. Our tour guide Kyle was phenomenal. He pointed out a lot of shapes and sights that we probably would have missed if we were by ourselves. He also took a ton of great pictures of us, which was greatly appreciated. I felt like we were doing our own personal photo shoot. He was that good. If you can, request Kyle to be your guide. Just climbed out of Antelope Canyon. From one epic place, we left Antelope Canyon, and now we are at Horseshoe for the 5th time. So as you can tell, we really like this place. So if you couldn't tell, bit windy today. Oh my goodness.
Are you loving life right now?
Loving life right now. It's one of our favorite places in the world.
And for my father who loves these.
Sorry, Papa E.
is.
It's the best way to do it.
Driving me crazy. As the wind picks up. Not a good idea to sit where she's sitting, wind blowing about 25 miles an hour, but
You gotta live life on the edge.
this is absolutely incredible. So my fat ass does not sit well on the edge, but
It's an awesome view. I just took a pretty epic 25-minute time lapse, so I'll put that here so you guys could see it. One last view from Horseshoe Bend. Time to drive to the Grand Canyon. We were gonna try to stick around for sunset, but it is really windy and it's also really cloudy, so I don't know how much of a sunset we would get. So we're gonna leave a little early and head to the Grand Canyon. What's really cool is we're actually staying at the hotel in the Grand Canyon that we stayed at when we got married, so we're excited for that. And tomorrow we're gonna do some hiking at the Grand Canyon. As always, thank you guys for tagging along. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next adventure.